So, what's an eSIM? An eSIM, or embedded SIM, is a small digital chip built directly into your device. Unlike physical SIMs that require installation and swapping, eSIMs remove the need altogether. No more fumbling with tiny SIMs or worrying about losing them. When you activate an eSIM like Jetpac, you've virtually downloaded a SIM into your device. You can connect to networks, authenticate your identity, and access mobile data. Ready to purchase a Jetpac eSIM? It's easy. Visit the website or download the app. Search for your destination. We have 100+ countries. Select a data pack that suits your needs. Check out and pay, voila! You will receive a confirmation email with your QR code and instructions to install the eSIM. You're ready to jet set. Get a Jetpac eSIM today.